Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and tea tree oil for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe the scalp and help get rid of dandruff. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Jamaican black castor oil, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 teaspoon tea tree oil. Applicator bottle. Method number 1. Add Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil and tea tree oil in an applicator bottle and shake it well. Number 2. Apply this oil mixed to your scalp and hair. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes with your fingertips. Number 3. Let it sit for at least half an hour. Number 4. Wash off using warm water and shampoo. Number 5. Use this solution twice a week to get thicker hair. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.